We have a Magic Chef frig that has a terrible smell. I have emptied the fridge and freezer totally and washed it out, but the smell remains. I have baking soda in the fridge as well.
Do you know the model of your Magic Chef fridge? How old is it?
I will get the model. No. Do you need the serial? No as well.
How long has this been going on with your Magic Chef refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
Emptied the whole frig and freezer and washed down everything, and it still has a smell. Model is CTB 1826Rs.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It seems to be cooling and freezing, but the smell is driving us crazy. Smells like something gone bad. I cannot receive text messages as I have no cell phone.
Please read my entire post. My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I'm also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Note, the website will send you a prompt for a phone call and pop UPS. Those are not from me, so if you do not want me to call you, then please ignore IT. Okay, if you have baking soda in the unit, the baking soda can absorb the odor, but you still have it in the unit. And did you also remove the rear interior freezer wall and clean out the defrost drain trough? The best way to get rid of odors is to crumple up newspaper and dampen it with a spray bottle and tap water, and let it set in the unit for 24 hours and then remove it.
I did not remove the rear interior freezer wall, not too technically inclined. I have replaced the baking soda many times. To remove the rear freezer wall, is it difficult?
No, it should just be held on with multiple screws. But of course you will need to remove everything out of the freezer beforehand.
I think I will play coward and try the wet newspaper and see if it helps. The body of the fridge and freezer both smell, and when you open their door the smell goes all over the kitchen and is quite strong.
Yes, put the newspaper in both sections, and like I said, just dampen it with a spray bottle. I like to cram a bunch of paper in the unit, the more the better I feel.
Okay, we'll give it a try. If it does not do the trick, how do I get in touch with someone tomorrow?
Just reply back to me on this chat. Just copy and paste the question's URL address to your favorites and reply back when you can.
Stupid question. I assume we leave the fridge on.
No, not a stupid question. Yes, let the unit run so it also circulates the air inside the unit.
Thank you, we'll be in touch tomorrow.
No problem. Always glad to assist you anytime. Thank you in advance. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me. Master Tech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me. You should see a rating box above and to the right of the text box where you are replying back to me, and just click on the rating box and it will open the rating window for you to then rate me. Thank you in advance. Woody.
Hello, I don't think the newspaper worked, so the next step I guess is to unscrew the back plate in the freezer, which I am not confident doing.
Okay, then you can try wiping the interior down with vanilla extract and warm water.
We have removed the freezer back, used baking soda, used vanilla, etc. The smell is still as strong as ever. Anything else we can do?
I have never had an issue with using the dampened newspaper. Did you ever have an issue where the unit has stopped cooling or was turned off and had items inside spoil?
No unit has not been turned off. How do I cancel my subscription to your company? I think I will call a tech to come to check it out or buy a new frig.
You will need to contact the website we both are using. As an expert, we never see your personal or billing information, we only see your question and the replies to that question. JustAnswer Customer Service customer support team is available to help you 24/7. Email at in the US or Canada, 1 available 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. PST.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.